Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a profile picture in the Zoom Workplace mobile app. Let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home screen, on the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on More or the three dots, or you can tap on Home at the top left corner. Once you are on your profile, here you can see an option called My Profile. Tap on that. After that, tap on the area where you want your photos should be. A menu will pop up asking you to choose a photo. Take a photo using your camera. Choose from library to select an existing picture or delete photo if you want to remove the current one. Tap choose from the gallery or select from photo album. Once you pick a photo, you can remove and resize it to fit the circle. When you are happy with that, tap down or save in the corner. Your new profile picture will now appear on your account, and that's it. You have added a profile picture to your Zoom Workplace app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.